What is flange and types? Flange is a flat or raised rim, collar or ring used to connect pipes, valves, pumps, and other equipment to form a piping system. It allows for easy assembly, disassembly, and maintenance. Types of flanges. Join pipes together securely. Main function. Provides easy access for inspection, cleaning, or repairs. Connect pipes to valves, pumps, or other equipment. Types of flanges. Weld neck flange. A weld neck flange has a long tipped hub that is welded to the pipe. Use high pressure applications and critical piping system. Slip-on flange. Slip-on flange slips over the pipe and is then welded. Use low pressure applications and easy installation. Socket weld flange. A socket weld flange has a socket in which the pipe is inserted and then fillet welded. Use small diameter, high pressure piping system. Blind flange. A blind flange closes the end of a piping system used to seal or stop flow in pipelines. Threaded flange. A threaded flange has internal threads that match the pipe threads used. Low pressure applications without welding. Lap joint flange. A lap joint flange slides over a stub end and is used with a bolt connection. Use piping systems that require frequent dismantling. Orifice flange. An orifice flange is used to measure flow rate in pipelines with orifice meters. Use flow measurement applications. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share, and good comment.